you have 5 different years, and you just put in each year something that happened that day. And it could just be like I just pulled up this page. It was July 9th, 2020. Athena is walking. She's doing it. Like, what a cool memory, right? And then the next year I had put Jade giving her leopard stuffed animal a fake haircut was so cute. I love how she talks to it. Aw. So just like little memories. Like, would I have remembered that now? No, I probably would not have remembered that my little daughter was giving her stuffed animal a fake haircut. But that's what I love about this. And at the end of the night, I just write something down, whatever it is. It could be a challenge in my life. It doesn't always have to be like the most amazing thing that happened that day. Sometimes it's like, today was rough. And then it's like you look back and you have you're going to have 5 years of things when you get to year 5. So I think some of them I'm on year 3 already. And I just love like all the different things, but it's not all fun and games. Like sometimes I put like the great things they do, and then sometimes I'm like, this is tough. So I think it's such a great book. It's gold. It's got this beautiful gold on it as well. You have your little bookmarks so you can keep your page. And then my girls have 100% taken my pen and drawn all over it, which is totally fitting for mom life as well. And then in the very back, it says dates to remember. And I just filled this out with like quotes and words that were super cute that my little girls were saying when they were like under the age of 2, like their first words and things like that. And if you skip a week or whatever, no big deal. You got 5 years to fill this thing out. So I really have enjoyed that. I think it's one of the best mom gifts and really good for new moms. So if you know a new mom, get her that gift.